gentlemen, this is Brandon, and I also have Peyton here. This is Motor Nubs. Welcome back. If you haven't already seen, this is the budget turbo Integra build, and the budget's out the window because this thing keeps blowing up. If you didn't watch the last video, I didn't end up making any power on the dyno because the clutch was slipping really bad. We're gonna go pick it up right now and see how bad it actually is slipping. I do have a sponsor now that pulled through and is going to give us a clutch for the Integra. So yeah, Peyton didn't even know about that. Yeah, so we got a sponsor for the clutch, but I did want to go back and kind of, this is going to be a review on the XTD eBay clutch, because this clutch has been in this car for what, 3 motors now, and I want to see if it does actually still hold up to be like drivable, or if it's like completely toast.
I'm guessing it's going to be drivable.
You think it's going to be drivable?
I think it's going to be drivable.
Yeah, I mean, James, went to jmills tuning. He was tuning it, and he said it started slipping around that 260 horsepower range. And this was I believe it was the stage 3 clutch, I think. Peyton doesn't remember. You helped me put it in, didn't you? No, he didn't even.
I didn't have to put that one in.
Yeah, I think it was the stage 3 clutch. It's supposed to be good for like 300 to 350 horsepower, so it's definitely it's going a little prematurely. But this thing did hold like 360 the last time we tuned it, so it might just be wore out. But let's go burn a little clutch, I guess.
Yeah, you're gonna burn the clutch, not me.
All right, I'll burn the clutch then. We'll be right back. Ooh, I need some air. Alrighty, so I got that tire aired up. I know all these tires are pretty much bad on this thing, so I need to get me some tires, but man, I just need it to hold together. It needs to run for a little while, but let's see how bad this clutch is slipping. Buckle up for safety. Alrighty. Still got a little clutch. He said he didn't burn it too much. Once it started slipping, he just let out and tried it one more time, and then just gave me a call. So I think he said it should have enough to at least drive around and just stay out of boost with, but that's no fun. So we need to get that clutch switched out as soon as possible. Actually, here he is coming up. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Actually, though,
What?
started it. We're here. All right, Brandon.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I got Peyton to ride with me. I recorded a couple clips myself holding it, but I gotta take Peyton home, and we're gonna try to see if we can't get the clutch to slip. But James said you gotta be pretty into the power. It holds it all the way up to like the 260 range, so we'll see if we can get her to let loose a little bit. So we gotta go to Mexico though.
Okay, we gotta go to Mexico. We've reached Mexico.
Yeah, we're turning on Mexico Road down here. We'll I'll go down into first a little bit.
Oh,
a little bit of first gear pulling.
Here we go. If the camera will focus.
It still runs.
But it's slipping. clutch smell.
Burn that clutch.
Oh yeah.
Smell that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. For anybody that doesn't know, to me a burnt clutch kind of smells like you got a fish. You have dead fish for your brake pads.
Yes.
And they're dying while you're squeezing it. It smells bad.
It smells, yeah, it's actually getting stronger as we go down the road.
It's all right though.
Yeah.
It still runs good.
All right, well, we'll cut back later.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, obviously this is like a day after something, driving the car. The car's parked outside. There are some new developments going on with it, but strictly for this video and what we're talking about, I'll put a link down below to the clutch that I was actually using. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I can pull it up and show you guys, but it was the XTD Stage 3. A lot of people have actually had bad luck out of these clutches, and mine seemed to do good. It was actually still holding a good amount of power. I was just pushing way too much for what it was even rated for. Let me bring this up here. Where we at? Right there it is. Okay, so the XTD Stage 3, this is like the exact clutch that I had or have in my car right now, and it's holding up good. It even was holding up to like 260 on the dyno, then it was slipping up top, and when we were driving it, like you could just smell straight clutch burning. In total, it's been in like 3 motors, but the total amount of miles that this clutch has on it, this is the Stage 2 kit. The heck? I wanted the Stage 3. It's giving me the information for the Stage 2. Let me click on another one. But total miles, maybe a couple 3,000 or 4,000, and they've been hard miles. They have not been easy miles at all. And I'm using the stock pressure plate. Does it give you a rating? Yeah, it says it's rated to hold 320 horsepower. And even the last time when it was on the dyno, it made 360. So it made over what it was supposed to hold. That probably pre-wore out, you know, it ended the life of this clutch prematurely. That's what I wanted to say. So do I rate this a bad clutch? Absolutely not. For 70 bucks, if you're on a lower horsepower setup, I would definitely use this clutch again. But if you're looking to make 300 horsepower plus, no good, no go. On an NA car, this would hold up like probably perfect. I don't think you'd have any problems on a naturally aspirated car. On a turbo setup with low boost, probably be fine. I think once you get over that 8, 9, 10 psi range, that's when these clutches really just show that they're just not enough at all. We did have a clutch sponsor that was going to be sending us a nicer clutch, but I will reveal what's going on in the next video. It's not going to end up working out. But we have a new plan, and we have a new plan of attack. I'm going to try to keep the content flowing and the videos coming, so look forward to that kind of stuff. And guys, thank you for sticking around. Yeah, so this is Brandon on Motor Nubs, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.